Hello, welcome to the Wall Panelling Experts again. Today I'm going to chat through with you the Georgian panelling design. The Georgian panelling is made from 18mm moisture resistant MDF. Now you know it's moisture resistant because it has a greeny colour. The materials we use is collected from Liverpool docks, and it's a Finsa brand, so it's very dense. Predominantly made of Portuguese pine, so you can achieve a really great painted finish on it, and the profile looks really good as well. This panel is just about 800mm high, and we have a couple of dado options as well. That's the 45x36 which sits on top of the Georgian panelling, or we have the 70x25 which sits at the front of the panelling. So it's just purely your choice which you'd prefer. So as you can see, it's 18mm thick. This particular panel, it's like a male and female edge, so the next one along this line will have another slot in, so you can slot it into the next one along the wall. And if I just turn it round, they're all labelled up. So this is for the customer, Mr. Muse. This is for his landing. The wall is D and it's a left end, so that's how the panels arrive. It tells you exactly which wall it's on, because you'll have a plan to know which wall is wall D. It has your name on, and it tells you which side of the wall the panel goes. So onto that, from the left end, the panel downstairs, the corresponding panel next to this will say landing D and centre panel, and that'll slot into the next one. It's all made to order, so once we've got your measurements, then the senior design consultant, he then works out your best layout, and it's all works in. In terms of the skirting, you either can leave it without a skirting, or you can use your own skirting, or we can create a skirting for you. Now, what we just need to know, because we call this the bottom rail, we just need to know the height of the skirting you're looking for, and then we create this bottom line in accordance with the height of your skirting. A lot of questions I get asked is, how do we paint the panelling? The panelling, we recommend a good acrylic primer, something like Gliddens. As you can see, this has been well used, so that's what the Glidden paint looks like, and it's acrylic primer. We'd recommend a couple of coats, and then either an oil base or an eggshell top coat. A lot of customers use farrow and ball. That's what farrow and ball look like. Farrow and ball paints, but you can use any good quality paint, and then what you'll be able to do is easily wipe the panels down. They're moisture resistant already, but this just gives it added protection, durability as well. In terms of MDF, just a quick point, moisture resistant has a green dye through it, so that's predominantly what we use. If you're doing a commercial property, you might be asked to use fire retardant. There's different fire retardants lengths, some are 30 minutes, some are 1 hour. You know what fire retardant MDF is because it has a red dye going through it. So if that's a specification that you need, please let us know, because it would affect your price. The other MDF that is available is waterproof, and that has a blue dye through it. You want to use that if you want to do something exterior, or if it is a certain specification. Bathrooms, we use the moisture resistant because it's a really good brand of MDF that we use. Alright, thanks for your time, and we'll chat soon. Bye for now.